Hey everyone, it's Sam here, and today I have a brand new collection to launch which is called Say It With Words. So you have 4 new pop-up words and a new paper pad, and inside these sets you also have stamps so you can help create the scenes some more, but these will work brilliantly with many other things in your stash, and you can also use them a few other ways as well. So this beautiful paper pad is 5x7 in size and it's called Beautiful Borders, so you don't have to use this with the collection, and all of the products are always sold individually. These are each of the designs. So you've got your sprinkles, party streamers, you've got your foliage and the berries there, and then this one's like your Christmas tree effect around the edge. You've got your pretty pastel flowers, and then this one's like fireworks, and then you've got your hearts and your bows. So a very sweet pad. You get 4 each of 8 designs and it's 190 GSM. Next I'm going to show you the 4 sets. Now these ones are designed to go in a 5x7 card, however you can put them in other sizes as well, but for that reason obviously the width of them is around 7 inches. So if you want to make the cards the way that I've intended them to be made, you will need a larger die cutting machine because you'll need your A4 plate for the width. However, you can put them in the other way, which will all make sense in a moment, and you can cut them out separately and then stick them into your card blank. So it's up to you. It depends on the kind of overall finish that you want, but I always like to just make sure I mention that in the videos, the size of the machine that you would need. So this one here is your cheers. So you have your main pop-up piece, then you have the letters to go over the top for mats and layers, and you can also stamp as well on top of those. And then you've got lots of different sentiments at the bottom as well. So you can have cheers to a Merry Christmas, 3 cheers, cheers to another year, cheers to you, cheers on your birthday, cheers to us, let's celebrate, cheers, cheers to the happy couple, cheers pretty lady, and cheers for all you do. And you might think of some others as well. Then you've got your XOXO. This one is lovely. I love the big lips, the cherry, they're really cute. And again, works the same way. You've got your stamps, so you can stamp them over the top. And then you've got your dies there as your mat and layer that go over the top of this. So then you've got Happy Galentine's, kisses, hugs to someone special, moi. Happy Valentine's Day, love you, be mine, love you lots, love you forever, and happy anniversary. And as I always say, if you buy the whole bundle, you can obviously mix and match these as well. It's nice to take bits from one and use it on another. But like I said at the beginning, everything is sold individually as well. And there are a few other things that we're adding into this collection, which I'll show you at the end. Then you've got your happy. So you can have happy birthday, be happy, happy Christmas, happy anniversary, happy days ahead, happy wedding day, happy for you, and happy new year. Again, you've got some stamped images there that you can cut out to work with it. But like I always say, these will work with so many things in your stash, and I cannot wait to use them with other parts within the range. And then one that I know is going to be very popular if you are part of my, I'd say, community over on my live YouTube channel and on Facebook. Every year for the last, this will be the 3rd year now actually, I have done a Falala card. It's just become a bit of a thing, and I know lots of you like to do it as well, so I thought I need to have it in a die. So here we have it. It's brilliant. I do love this one. So again, same concept. You've got your stamps that you'll stamp onto them, or your dies there. You've got some lovely images here. You've got some music notes as well. And then you've got happiest of holidays, Noel, Merry Christmas, joyful, merry and bright, season's greetings, and Christmas cheer. It's 17 dies in that one, 17 in that one, 15 and 17, so pretty much the same across the board apart from the XOXO. I'm going to show you one of each design first, and let's do this one. Okay, so you can see how I've used the 5x7 papers right on the front. With a lot of my samples, I don't tend to do too much decoration on the front. These are designed to be displayed open, but also I do use my sample cards and send them. So if I want to personalize them, I can do. But even as they are plain, you know, with a simple word in the middle, you know, you don't have to do too much. So we'll start off with the Christmas one. So when you open it up, you have your pop-up Falala. And with this one here, I've added the Advent stamp set. So we had some stock left over of this. It's been sitting on our website for some time. If you've got the Advent, then you will know. So I thought, let's bring it back out. So you can purchase this online at a discounted price. And I just wanted to show you a card there using it. And I think they look quite cute with the little characters. So you can see how you can really bring it to life. I think it looks brilliant. And I've used an embossing folder just to add some texture on the top and bottom there. It looks really, really cool. So that's one of the extras that we've added in. And this one here, some of you recognise the images on this one. I just followed the colours that were in the papers there. And then when you open this one up, you've got your cheers, which I love. And that one's using this set here. So this is on the site at a discounted price. So if you want to purchase this one, you can. You got some lovely, you've also got the big birthday cake in that one as well, but I just focused on the cocktails for that card. And then the happy, like I said, one of my favourite ones. Look at this one. It's adorable. I love the rainbow of balloons along the top. And then obviously you've got space here to write your message if you want. Otherwise you could have it on the back. Put the little party hat there. Because you can have lots of things along here as long as when you close it, obviously it all hides within the card. You can see how that one looks. And that's just using the elements in the set. So you can see them down the side there. And then this one here, very sweet. Your XOXO, love you forever. You can see the lips. I like to stamp them directly on because it just looks like you've kissed the card. You've got your lovely little love letter there and the heart. And again, I've kissed it. Not really, but you know what I mean. And you've got the lovely cherry there as well. Very, very sweet. But what I've also done is I've added in this set. So if you've got my poems, they fit perfectly in the bottom section. I think it's quite a nice way to reuse those if you have them. And then the cute bunnies and everything that you see on this one is from this set, Bells Will Ring. So that one is now discounted on site. So if you want to create something like this, you can do. You can see the little champagne in the glasses. I've got him just poking out the side of the letter there. Very, very sweet. And then I'll show you two more. I've got my cheers one here. So this is your cheers. So great one for a New Year card. And I've done the mirrored card with that one. You can see how I've used the papers. And then another Christmas one, which I really love. So you can see the front of it there. And then when you open this one up, you've got your falala. Happiest of holidays with the lovely little tree decorations there. The holly and the berries is lovely. And you can see the little music notes as well and the bow. And that one there, I've done a little bit of inking on the letters and added some spritz. But also you can obviously use the letters because they're dies on their own. So this is stuck on top. If you get the whole collection, you can definitely make up some other words. So I'll be interested to see what people come up with. But what I've created with this one here, so that's the front. And then when you open this, I've made an inside out card. Now, I've already got these on my Mixed Up Craft channel, but I thought it was a nice way to show off the letters on their own and create something completely different. I always like the dies to work away from what they're intended. Once you've made maybe, you know, a handful of these, you'll be wanting to do something else because that's what we do as crafters. So I think it's nice to show them in other ways. So we'll definitely be using these away from the intended use to make more fun folds and also use them with other things in the collection. But I think that one turned out really nice. And that is using this set, which is You Are My Sunshine. So again, this has been added into this kind of launch with a discount. So if you do want to purchase that one, you can do. So that is my new Say It With Words collection. I hope you've enjoyed what I've showed you today. I will be live as this video goes out over on my Mucers Assemble YouTube channel, which is where I do all my live crafting and live launches. So if you do want to see me do a few demos, go through this in a lot more detail, then I will link to that channel just below this video, along with links to the products over on the Craft World website, because that will all be live now, and those other bits that we've added onto site at that discount as well. So thank you as always for watching. There will be tutorials coming up onto this channel shortly showing you how to make those samples as well. So if you are interested to see how any of those were made, I will be showing you in those separate tutorials, but I'll also be demoing it today as well. And if you're not watching this today and you're catching it a few days, weeks, maybe even a year later, I will link to the live below because you can go and watch the replay of that. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.